What the fuck? Billy, what are you doing? You're playing another fucking video game. You kidding me? We talked about this first and get the system wrong. What do you mean it's better? How do you get the money for this? I look at this bullshit. I'm working 12 hours a day. 7 days a week. You kidding me? And you want more of that system? And then house and then you sit here all day. Where do you get the money? Where do you get the money for the system? Where do you get the money? Where do you get the money? Where do you get the money? You don't fucking shit! I'm trying to for that fucking game! I'm sorry. This is bullshit! I'm sorry. Please. Don't touch them, okay? No, fuck this shit! Fuck this shit! Fuck. Did he break anything? Yeah. Oh shit! Fuck this shit! What are you doing? What are you doing? Fuck this shit! Back up! Back up! Back up! Don't anything about it! Do anything about it! You love this system more than me! No, I don't. You love this system more than me! Fucking liar! You love this system more than me! How could you say that? You don't fuck this shit! Please don't. Please don't. Back up! I am. You love this system more than me! Fucking shit! Shut up! You're fucking crazy! What do you think? You're breaking it. You can't have this system more than me! You can't have this system more than me! You're fucking crazy! You can't have this shit more than me! Of course not. You're a psycho! You're crazy! You're gonna break me, don't. I'm tired of you, and I told you stop playing games! I'm sorry, okay, I'm sorry. I told you stop playing games! Clean all this shit up! I'm done with this shit! Fuck!